Look at this, guys. Now you are about to watch one of the best and Fuji chocolate brownie ever. I mean the best recipe. I hope you enjoy watching while I tell you small story how chocolate brownie became one of my best. Somebody who don't like chocolate brownie became one of my best dessert ever as an African woman. Growing up as an African kid, we never had the opportunity to enjoy chocolate, or better still, it was not affordable for us. And again, because our parents will always stop us from having sweet things, we had our own way of enjoying our sweet. We have our own sweet snacks that we eat, that we have as kids, but it was a no-no for us to have too much sweet, maybe because that is why our teeth are strong. Okay, so my African people, you know what I mean. And it wasn't anywhere, I didn't have anyone around. Okay, so you can imagine me not being fan of chocolate. Anything called chocolate wasn't, I wasn't fan of it. I wasn't good at it. Or dessert, it wasn't one of my favorite snacks or sweet or desserts. In this generation or in today's world, we are more exposed to sweet things, to dessert, to dark chocolate or white chocolate, all sort of chocolate. We are getting. I am getting more used to having some dessert, having all sort of cakes. I love creamy cakes filled with all kinds of berries. Okay, but dark chocolate cake is I was not used to it then. Okay, I'm talking about 7 years ago before I came into culinary world. Now, come this day, a colleague of mine and I just walked into a staff restaurant, and there was a cake there. I didn't know that was chocolate brownie. I just knew that there was a dark chocolate cake there. And she had a slice of it. She just cut it and then she had a bite of it and she just screamed, "Oh, this is good." She loved anything. She loved anything or loved anything called chocolate cake. And she was just screaming on top and just saying, "I need to test it." She still insists, "I need to test this cake." So I had a slice of it and test. Guys, to be honest with you, the moment I had a bite of that cake, of that dark chocolate, I still didn't know it was brownie. Okay, I thought it was just normal dark chocolate cake. At that point, I was used to cakes or different kinds of cakes already, but I was still not fan, like I said. And guys, I was overwhelmed. I was just saying, "God, this is good." You know that elegant when you are trying something new and you are loving it, you are going. I was just saying, "This is good. This is nice." That was what I was just saying. And they were standing behind me. Uh, my boss, I didn't know she was the one. So I turned my back and said, "Ah, boss, chef in German will say, ah, chef, this schmeckt lecker. This is good. How?" And she said, "Ich habe das gebacken." I baked that. She was so glad, and she said it's so elegant, a pretty elegant woman. The way she said it, I still will not forget because she saw it that we are enjoying it, and then she stepped out. I was behind her because I wanted to see if she could just measure. Because I was saying, "What did you use? Ah, this is really special." She didn't say, she was just saying it's actually not difficult. It's very simple. All you need is good chocolate. It's very fast. Finish. I was waiting for 100 gram of this, 200 gram of that, and that's all. I would find my way. No, she didn't say anything. So I get to realize, and then she said it's chocolate brownie. Okay. When I got home, the first thing I did was type chocolate brownie. I began to look for chocolate brownie recipe. I began to bake one chocolate brownie after the other. Every time I was baking chocolate brownie, I still didn't get that taste of that day. So I will always say, "This is not what I want. This is not what I want." I wasn't satisfied until I start making some adjustment. I start doing some plus and minus or reduce some flour, reduce this, add this and that. And I got to what I want. It was like, bam. And guys, I then baked this again and again. I brought to my colleagues, and this everybody loves it and they want to have the recipe. I say, "Ah, go to my channel." So I had to make this recipe, post on my channel, and I was sending it. I was just saying, Don't worry, it's coming up soon on my channel, guys, and that's it. Now, let me say something here, guys. Please, you have to let your chocolate, your dark chocolate, and the butter just melted. Let it get cold first before mixing it inside your egg batter. Okay, and take your time to whisk your batter. Take your time to achieve that creaminess, that soft butter. Okay, and then add in your melted chocolate and butter, and add in every other flour and the cocoa powder. Like, guys, one thing you should not forget, please, you need to fold your batter in. Okay, the moment you add your flour, do not stir just as you want. Use your spatula and fold in. Use it and fold in again and again. Then you want to bake at 175 to 180 degree. 170 ovens are different. Okay, just take your time, monitor and see. It shouldn't be too dry. Okay, I overbaked mine with 5 minutes. Okay, I overbaked mine with 5 minutes. I need to tell you that. So take your time and bake at least maybe 20 minutes. Just continue to check. Inside should be soft. Inside should have that, that soft and fudginess of chocolate brownie. Okay, like I said, 170 to 80 degree, at least 20 minutes. And here you go. The part I didn't add walnut is for my girlfriend who does not like a walnut, allergic of walnut. Okay, and this is it. Look at the volume is still there. Everything is still perfect. Now imagine me trying to lift this. Yeah, it's still hot. Okay, let it cool down a little bit. I could not wait to bite into that joy. I love this cake, guys. I love chocolate brownies so much. Now, please let me know in the comment section. Just type in the comment section, I love chocolate brownie. I will know you are mine. Okay, please, if try this recipe out, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay, even if I overbaked with 5 minutes. Now, please try this recipe out. Post on your community, on the community, tag me in, let me know I did not post this video in vain. Please try that and let me know the outcome. I want to see the post. Okay, guys, thank you so much for doing so. And if you're watching for the first time, guys, please try it out. Try it out. You will love it. You will come back to testify, and I want you to come back to testify. Okay, like, guys, they couldn't wait. Everybody, the plate was flying already. Yeah, yes, my plate. Yes, my plate. Yes, guys, that's all. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your opinion in the comment section. Share with your loved ones. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.